the time can make it wait. It's your life, don't hesitate. Live in more, it can be great. Don't waste your time, your time.
Ito na yun, grabe yung sikap, yung pagod, lahat ng rejection, ito na yung kapalit, grabe. Thank you Lord. Sa mga partners ko, grabe, hataw-hataw lang. Kayo na rin ang sunod, power.
Grabe, power.
Ay, grabe, power. Ito na yung sasakyan ni Apnix. Lalabas na. Kaya sa mga nagsaduda, huwag nang pagdudaan pa.
Tama. Ito na oh.
Good morning guys! Nandito kami sa Calesa Grill, Antipolo. Actually, kalalabas lang nung Montero Sports ni Mitch. Si Mitch, siya yung unang-unang naniwala sa akin sa Facebook. Kaya yung mga na-invite namin before, kung nag-join lang sana kayo, sana meron na rin kayong ganito.
Ay, grabe.
So, sa mga na-invite namin noon, at gusto nyo mag-join, andito pa rin kami. Katulong nyo kaming gawin yung business. At tanggalin nyo na lahat ng duda kasi ito yung resulta. Tama? Congrats natin si Mitch. Power!
Power.
Grabe, sumunod ka na!
Power!
Ikaw na sunod, ikaw na.
Jumping into the future, jumping into a new day, jumping into the new you, jumping into a new way, jumping into a new light, jumping in things that you like. It's time for you to be brave and jump into a new place. Jump, 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 jump.
Jump into life.
Jump, jump,